What is up guys, TechRax here. So in this video I found this really cool abandoned brick smoke tower out in the middle of nowhere. This thing is like over 160 feet tall. It's like 100 years old and you could actually walk inside of it at the very bottom, which is super cool. And I wanted to drop the brand new iPhone 12 Pro from the top of it using a drone. So I basically did two drops, and guys, I'm gonna skip straight to the drops because when I recorded the intro to this video, for some reason my camera recorded in 240p and that's garbage quality, so I don't even want to include it. But this was a brand new iPhone 12 Pro, and the first drop test I did, the one you're about to see right now, guys, this phone actually came out completely unscratched, unscathed. Front wasn't cracked, the back wasn't cracked. So here is the first drop test, guys, in 3, 2, 1. Now here's the second drop test. This is the one the iPhone actually cracked. In 3, 2, 1. Just to show you guys what happened to this iPhone, this is all after that second drop test, these cracks right here, and it's actually not even that bad. That's what really surprised me the most. You do got some scratches here on the top of the phone, on this side as well. The SIM card actually flew out. I couldn't find it with the little SIM tray thing. But overall, guys, considering this phone was literally dropped 2 times, I think it did pretty well. Cameras held up well. Again, you just have that crack on the front and it's not even that noticeable. Ceramic shield really did a good job. You can't even feel it. That wraps it up, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.